Oh yeah. Alright, let's crank this thing up and go on our first little mini moto vlog. Alright, first little mini vlog. Been teaching Anthony how to ride it some. He isn't anywhere near growing into this thing yet, but for what we paid for it, it's one of those why not type of things. I've never had a dirt bike before. The only thing I've ever ridden was like a 250 when I was like a jit in high school. Oh yeah. This is a KLX 110 with a 143 bore kit on it. And it's stout. This thing will pull a wheelie no problem. In fact, my wheelie skills, God, I haven't done a wheelie on a bike since I had a sport bike. But I'm excited to practice and get my wheeling skills back. Dude, I can floor it in second in this thing and it picks up and does its own wheelie. So I like how much more powerful it seems than like an average little 110 on YouTube appears. Very fun little bike. For some reason, I don't know if it's like me or if it's everybody in general, but this bike seems way funner than like a big bike to me, like a 450 or a 250. Granted, I'm not like a big dirt biker, so like, you know, like for somebody who's like a diehard dirt biker, they'd probably be like 250, 450 all day. But this thing is too nifty. It's very small for being, you know, it's a 110. You can have more fun with it. And I love that. I love that it's like small and compact. Very comfortable, shocks in good shape. This is like an 02. Just did an oil change. Went ahead and did the valve adjustment. It was off by about 1/1000th of an inch, I'd say. Intake and exhaust side. Just love this thing. It's too nifty. Figure I won't shoot too long of a video, but absolute blast. And we literally haven't rode it much at all. Fixed a bunch of leaks. I think the exhaust valve cover had an oil leak. Carburetor had an oil leak. Dang wheelie. Go to the field and play with some wheelies. And wheelies when it's been a while is violating. gonna do one more quick little sprint across the dirt. My son's like, "What's up? Hey, how you doing? Hey." I swear I can't ride this thing without him being inside my life. A moto vlog. There she is, KLX 110. Probably use a little tweaking on the carburetor. 143cc big bore kid by B&B, I believe. Whatever brand that is. If you like it, the thumbs up. Want to see more videos, comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It really helps out. It doesn't take much to do it. We'll see you next time.